We got a Chevy Silverado with the complete Overland build here. Starting from the ground up, we got the CargoGlide for the bottom to make access for your stuff a lot easier. You can keep this in different places as well. He also did the RetraxPRO XR, which allowed for the rack attachments. This cover is still fully functional. With the rack, you can lock it wherever you want. It's still solid. You can put weight on top of here still. So this is the Yakima OutPost. Also has the sidebars for other attachments like a max track or a shovel. He has a platform so that way he could add the tent. We got a Rome Vagabond here. Don't forget about the rugged case. These mounts just came out this year as well, so you can have it up here all the time or take it out if you need to, and you can secure them down. Here at Truck Access Plus, we do the covers, we do the CargoGlides, rooftop tents, rugged cases. We can help you secure your kayaks down when you're traveling. We got attachments for those. Visit us in Phoenix or online, truckaccessplus.com.